Welcome back to this video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our phone settings. So I'm going to scroll down right here. Here we go. I'm going to click on my settings right here. Having opened up your settings, scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google. Click on Google. Then it's going to take you right here. Click on All Services. Then scroll down right here. Scroll down until you get to Search Assistant and Voice. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you click on Gemini. Manage setting for Gemini, your AI assistant. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you click on Use Gemini. The next thing you want to do is to assign voice for your Gemini. For that, what you want to do is to click on Voice Gemini right here. So it's going to take you right here. Here, you can choose the voice you like right here. If you don't like the first voice right here, swipe this way and check another voice right here. So I'm going to select this particular voice and click on Next, Select. Once you select, is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on here, Hey Google. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this. The next thing you want to do is to exit from here now and say, Hey Google Gemini. Can you please tell me how to open Yahoo account? So here we go. You have your Google Gemini pump up right here. We have our Google Gemini right here. Then we can start using it without any stress. So we can click on this mic right here and say, Hey Google, can you please teach me how to open Yahoo account? In a few seconds, we get the result right here. So we can click on here again and say, Hey Google Gemini, can you please teach me how to create Facebook account? Just like so, it's that simple. Then finally, for easy access to Google Gemini AI, what we want to do is to click on Launch the app for quick access to all features. Click on Install now. That will redirect us right here, whereby we need to install the app. As at the time of making this video, 500 million plus have downloaded and installed this Google Gemini AI app. Next thing we want to do is to click on Install right here. After a successful installation, hit on Open. Now you have everything set right here. So we can start asking whatever question we want to ask. We can type in, can you please tell me about today weather? Then we send. Just like so, we have the weather report right here. So we have it right here. We can simply exit from here. So what we want to do is to simply say, Hey Google, can you please show me how to open a YouTube account? Just like what you see right here. Then you have the results step by step on how to open a YouTube channel. Sign into Google account, create a channel, choose a channel name, customize your channel, start uploading video. So we can continue and ask more questions right here. For that, we can simply click on this mic icon right here. Can you please give me top 10 niche that is trending right now on YouTube? Here we go. We have it right here. So you can see it has been itemized right here, such as faceless storytelling, automation, AI, tutorial, etc. Cooking, health and fitness niche, etc. Unboxing videos, as the case may be. It's that simple. So this is how to completely set up your Google Gemini AI on your Android phone. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google Gemini AI, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.